Hello from my bed. Yes, I make videos in the oddest of places. Okay, so it's 5 o'clock in the morning, and I've been awake for a couple hours. I've got heartburn, and this is my cat, Cece. She likes to say hi. She just looking at me. She wants to be petted. Okay, so I, I'm I've been doing some research on consumer reports and uh, YouTube and stuff. My car, 2022 Nissan Kicks, it has a CVT transmission, front wheel drive. I didn't know what that even was when I bought the car a year ago in January 2024. So I used to have this 2007 Nissan Frontier pickup truck. I bought it brand new, and then I sold it to a friend and got this little car. And I thought, well, this little car, 4 cylinder, this can be good. Well, I do DoorDash and, food delivery, and I just checked their website again. I can pretty much use any vehicle as long as it's reliable, obviously, and got insurance and stuff. And so I thought I had to get like kind of a newer car to do deliveries, but that's not really the case. So I have a membership to Consumer Reports, and they have this buying guide and all this stuff that they do, you know. So the top cars are Lexus and Toyota and Mazda, top three. So now I'm thinking maybe I'll get a Toyota pickup truck, rear wheel drive. I can't speak. Rear wheel drive. With the extended like cab, so you can fit people in there, and then it still has a truck bed where you can put stuff, trash, wood, whatever. And I could put my dog in the cab, and I could put that barrier up so he can't get up in the front and bother me. So I'm thinking about getting rid of this car, getting a Toyota pickup truck. And so I want to call my favorite auto shop, Archer Automotive, talk to them about Toyota pickup trucks, see what they say, what experience they have, and then call the credit union where I'm financing this Nissan Kicks and tell them, the transmission, it's not good enough. I just changed the fluid and everything in it, but I could probably keep maintaining it. But I have this friend who does DoorDash. She has a Nissan Kick. She just spent $5,000 on a new transmission for her car. And I'm like, this one, how much time do I have before I'll need to get another transmission for this Nissan Kicks? It's the CVT transmission, front wheel drive. Those are the problems. I looked on YouTube a whole bunch, and so now my focus is Toyota pickup truck, uh, with Consumer Reports, and ask Archer Automotive, and then see if I can't get rid of this Nissan Kicks and get a Toyota pickup truck. And here it is, 5 o'clock in the morning. I've got heartburn. I've been up for 2 hours. I'm tired. And I chose to do delivery for a living, which is good. It's fine. Also, in this one video, this guy he's a shop. He has a repair shop, and he was talking about uh old police cars, old cabs, those are daily drivers. They put 100 or more 200 miles or more a day on those cars. They're driving them around the city, Those cars, the police cars are reinforced and everything, and cabs and police cars, they have a shop, they have regular maintenance, blah, blah, blah. By the way, they're rear wheel drive, they're not front wheel drive. So, that just got me thinking. I've just been going down this rabbit hole for like 2 hours. So now I'm thinking, you know, I'll start looking at Toyota pickup trucks, and I'll probably fall back asleep pretty soon, but I don't know. Anyhow, I want to start my workday at 9 a.m. Try to keep this schedule. So I have lots to think about, but I'm making a video at 5 a.m. while I'm in bed. Hey, why wait? Just pick up the camera, start talking, start making a video. Don't matter what time it is, where you're at. All right, this is 6 minutes or so. I'm going to post it. Talk to you later. Bye.